on stage is what makes the best performers keep their spontaneity intact. Good morning, everyone. Today, Aridhi Dikari, on the behalf of grade 6B, is here to conduct today's morning assembly. The theme of our assembly is presence of mind. The function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the ones who prays. With this, I request you all to join your hands and get ready for the prayer. So for the prayer, here comes Prerna Kanyal.
सुप्रभात। आज मैं प्रेरणा कन्याल कक्षा 6 की छात्रा एक हिंदी प्रार्थना प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। धन्यवाद।
Vision of the school is the mission of the school. So for the vision, here comes Soham Bisht.
Morning, my name is Soham Bisht. I study in grade 6B. Today I am delivering vision to include moral and ethical values with among students, among with academic excellence and all around qualities development with practical knowledge and deep-rooted value system by providing modern and contemporary education to serve the large cause of society and the nation. Thank you.
Pledge is a note to fulfill our duty towards our nation. So for the pledge, here comes Ayush Dwivedi.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ayush Dwivedi. I study in class 6. I am going to do pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of rich and heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with my courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and promotion alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seeds of either success or failure in the mind of another. So to add 2 new words in a word vocabulary, here comes Amrit Pant.
My name is Amrit Pant from class 6B. Today I am presenting 2 new words. My first word is emulate. The meaning of emulate is trying to do something better than someone. Example, Meera is trying to emulate the success of his mother. My next word is stereotype. The meaning of stereotype is a fixed idea about a particular person or thing which is not often true. Example, some people believe in stereotype teenagers are lazy, but it is not true.
A positive thought in the morning can change our whole day. So for the positive thought, here comes Yatin Bhatt.
Good morning everyone, my name is Yatin Bhatt. I study in class 6B. The thought of the day is the presence of the mind is unjustified in the absence of the thought. I repeat my thought, the presence of the mind is unjustified in the absence of the thought. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone has their own ways of expression. So to tell you more about today's theme, here comes Lakshin Bhandari.
Good morning, respected sir and ma'am. I am Lakshin Singh Bhandari from class 6B. Today I would like to talk about presence of mind. What do we actually understand by it and what is it? Let me tell you its definition. It is the ability to remain calm and take quick sensible action. Generally, to save oneself favor, it recognizes how the mind is aware and prepared to impress and influence the audience for any questionnaire act smartly in a moment, talking very short period of time. It is a great God gift to a man. This boon is blessing of God to fortunate to one only. To summarize, presence of mind is very important in every aspect of life, from having self-control in stressful situations along with the ability to think and act calmly if chaos or conflict surround us. That was
Now I would like to call respected class teacher Miss Kirtika Joshi ma'am.
Very lovely morning to all of you. This is Kirtika Joshi, class teacher, grade 6B. As you all know, the theme of our morning assembly is presence of mind. So what is presence of mind? It is the ability to stay calm and focused in any alarming situation. It helps us to take decisions quickly and wisely, and yet sensibly. Now, why do we need this presence of mind in our daily lives? Let's take the example of our own lives. Being students, we all have experienced this situation. While sitting in examination hall, we all are very much focused. But still, it happens sometimes that we find it very hard to remember the answers of some questions. And as soon as we come out of the examination hall, what happens to us? We remember the answers, right? This happens because of lack of presence of mind. As we were coming out of the examination hall, we were feeling very much relaxed, but we were yet being very much focused. So due to that, we remember the answers. So we have to train our mind so that we can be relaxed and alert at the same time to deal such situations. Now we can understand it with the help of a real life example of a very famous scientist, Albert Einstein. Once Albert Einstein was moving to one of his university speeches with his driver in his car. Now his driver said that I have heard your speeches so many times that I can even imitate it flawlessly. So Einstein agreed. He said that okay, you will be giving this speech from my side, as nobody is knowing me in that university. But they switched their dresses, they switched their uniforms, and Einstein sat back at the hall and just listened to the speech. Surprisingly, driver just delivered the speech flawlessly. As soon as the driver was just leaving the podium, one of the professor stood and asked a very complex question, including mathematical equations. Now Einstein was knowing that it was very difficult for the driver to give the answer as he was just an imitator. But to his surprise, the driver uses his wit and said, "Oh professor, you are asking such a simple question. I can bet even my driver can answer this." So as we know that the driver was Einstein, so he just gave the answer, and this is how the driver saved himself from an embarrassing situation with the help of his presence of mind. So children, we can also use this presence of mind to get us out of very difficult situations, sometimes out of a great emergency too. Right? Now how we can? By practicing yoga and meditation, which helps in releasing stress. Apart from this, being a good listener, good observer, learning new tasks, doing reasoning, having self-confidence, gaining more and more new skills and knowledge can be key factors for improving your presence of mind. At last, I would like to say a person who is having a good presence of mind is quick and witty in taking his or her judgments and knowing that what is best for her. Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead.
Now let us devote 52 seconds in honor of our nation. So for the national anthem, here comes Viraj.
बने अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा उच्चल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Most important is to remain focused and always have presence of mind. Thank you everyone.